Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment my videos. Pigs, scientifically known as Sus scrofa domesticus, are highly intelligent and social animals that have been domesticated for various purposes throughout history. Here are some key facts about pigs, covering their biology, behavior, cultural significance, and economic importance. Taxonomy and evolution. Pigs belong to the family Suidae and are closely related to wild boars. Domestication of pigs is believed to have started around 9,000 years ago, with multiple wild boar subspecies contributing to the development of the modern domestic pig. Physical characteristics. Pigs come in various breeds with diverse characteristics. Generally, they have a stout body, short legs, a snout for rooting, and a coat of bristly hair. Domestic pigs can exhibit a wide range of colors and patterns. Pigs are known for their high level of intelligence. They have complex cognitive abilities and are capable of problem-solving, learning through observation, and even playing simple video games. Studies have shown that pigs can outperform dogs in certain cognitive tasks. Social behavior. Pigs are social animals that form close-knit groups called sounders. Within these groups, they establish a hierarchy, and communication is facilitated through various vocalizations and body language. Pigs are also known to be empathetic and can form strong bonds with each other. Omnivorous diet. Pigs are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. In the wild, their diet consists of roots, tubers, fruits, insects, and occasionally small mammals. Domestic pigs are commonly raised for their meat, and their diet is often supplemented with grains. Reproduction. Female pigs are called sows, and males are boars. The gestation period for a sow is approximately 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. A litter size can range from a few piglets to over a dozen, depending on the breed. Economic importance. Pigs are a significant source of meat worldwide. Pork is a staple in many cuisines, and various cuts of pork are consumed globally. Additionally, byproducts such as leather, bristles, and certain medical products are derived from pigs. Cultural significance. Pigs hold cultural importance in various societies. They feature prominently in folklore, myths, and religious practices. In some cultures, pigs are considered symbols of prosperity and abundance. Domestication and breeds. The process of domestication has led to the development of numerous pig breeds with distinct characteristics. Examples include the Yorkshire, Hampshire, Duroc, and Berkshire breeds, each bred for specific traits such as meat quality or adaptability. Environmental impact. Pig farming, like other forms of livestock production, has environmental implications. Issues such as deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions are associated with large-scale pig farming operations. Health concerns. Pigs can transmit diseases to humans, and proper hygiene and biosecurity measures are crucial in pig farming to prevent the spread of illnesses. Some diseases, such as swine flu, have zoonotic potential. Animal welfare. The treatment of pigs in industrial farming has been a subject of concern regarding animal welfare. Practices such as gestation crates and overcrowded conditions have prompted discussions about more humane and sustainable farming methods. Research and medicine. Pigs are used in scientific research due to their anatomical and physiological similarities to humans. They have been instrumental in medical research, particularly in areas such as organ transplantation and vaccine development. Global production and consumption. China is the largest producer and consumer of pork globally. Pork is a dietary staple in many Asian countries, while European and North American cuisines also heavily feature pork in various forms. Threats to wild boar populations. In some regions, wild boar populations face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and disease. Balancing conservation efforts with the management of overpopulated wild boar is a challenge in many areas. In conclusion, pigs are fascinating creatures with a rich history of interaction with humans. From their domestication to their role in various aspects of human life, pigs continue to be a vital part of our global culture and economy. Environmental adaptability. Pigs are remarkably adaptable to different environments and climates. Their ability to thrive in diverse conditions has contributed to their widespread distribution across the globe. Gestation and maternal instinct. Sows exhibit strong maternal instincts, often creating nests for their piglets before giving birth. They are known to be protective mothers, and piglets typically stay close to their mothers for several weeks. Communication. Pigs communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, squeals, and snorts. These sounds serve various purposes, such as expressing distress, seeking attention, or indicating contentment. Popular culture. Pigs have made their mark in popular culture with characters like Piglet from Winnie the Pooh and the iconic Piggy Bank. Their portrayals in literature, movies, and art often highlight their endearing and intelligent qualities. Truffle hunting. Certain pig breeds, such as the Périgord pig in France, have been traditionally used for truffle hunting. Their keen sense of smell is valuable in locating these highly prized fungi. Swine genetics. Advancements in swine genetics have led to the development of genetically modified pigs for research purposes. These pigs may carry specific genes for disease resistance or serve as models for studying human genetic disorders. Microbial fermentation. In some cultures, pig intestines are used in the production of sausages and other cured meats through the process of microbial fermentation. This traditional method contributes to the unique flavors of certain regional dishes. Emotional intelligence. Studies have suggested that pigs possess emotional intelligence, displaying emotions such as joy, fear, and even a form of empathy. Observations of pig behavior indicate that they can form bonds with humans and other animals. Heritage breeds. The preservation of heritage pig breeds has gained attention in sustainable agriculture. These breeds often have unique traits and genetic